Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Heidi Nuki Belulia.
Heidi, how old are you?
I'm 40 years old.
Are you married or single?
Yes, ma'am, I'm married.
I'm married. How many children do you have?
I have one children,
Is this a boy or a girl?
a boy.
How old is your son?
He's 6 years old.
Okay. Your husband, what is the occupation of your husband?
Driver.
Driver. Okay. How many sisters and brothers do you have?
I have one sister and 3 brothers.
Okay. So are they all working or they have their own families?
They have working and they have own family.
Okay. So what is your position in the family?
I'm the sister.
So how are you the eldest or the
I'm the
fourth? So you're the fourth in the family. Okay. Heidi, can you please tell me your work experience?
I worked here in Philippines in 1999 to 2000. Housemaid.
All around. Okay, so all around, basically, you were working inside the house. Okay, so to do the laundry, ironing. You also cook?
Yes.
What kind of Filipino dishes do you cook?
Adobo, sinigang, nilaga, apritada,
okay,
frito, fried.
Okay. Aside from your experience in the Philippines, have you had a chance to work overseas?
In abroad?
Yes. So where is this?
In Japan.
In Japan. So you started working in Japan what year?
In 2002 to 2009.
Okay, can you please tell me your work experience in Japan?
I work laundry. Factory.
You work in a laundry shop?
Laundry shop. Factory worker and
you work as a sewer also?
And sewer.
Okay, so you stayed in Japan for almost 8 years, right?
Yes.
But you never had the chance to work in a household? No?
No.
Only in the Philippines?
Only in the Philippines.
Okay, so what made you decide, Heidi, to work in Singapore?
Because I have one children and beginning to study in the Philippines, but I have no money to work to support. I cannot support my son here in Philippines
because you have no work at present. So that is why you decided to work in Singapore.
Yes.
You think you can work in a big house, Ken?
Yes.
Can you look after children or newly born babies? Are you willing?
Yes.
Are you also willing to do a 5.5 month salary loan?
Yes.
Which means to say, you will not have a salary for 5.5 months. You will only receive a minimum of $20, Ken?
Yes.
And while on salary loan, employer might not give you the chance to go on day off or no hand phone. Is it okay?
Yes.
But of course, you can always ask the employer for permission to call your family.
Yes.
So it's okay?
Yes.
Okay. So, is there something you want to tell your future employers? Do you have message to your future employers?
Dear sir and ma'am, I'm willing to work in Singapore in housemaid, and I will try to clean the house, to cook and wash the dishes, and I work hard, and I hope you
give you a chance.
You give me a chance to work in Singapore.
Okay, Heidi, you're now 40 years old. You think you can still work despite your age?
Yes.
You think you still have the physical condition to work?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.